हेलो व्यूअर्स वेलकम टू एन एक्साइटिंग पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड आज के एपिसोड बस खास ही नहीं, मेरे लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही खास है बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू अ पॉडकास्ट सेशन with the dean of SCMC department of Kiamagalam University, Dr. Amit Chawla. So it's a very golden opportunity for me. So welcome to the podcast, sir.
Thank you so much, Shubham. It's my opportunity. It's a great privilege for me to interact with you, and I'm really proud that though you are in your first semester itself of Bachelor's of Journalism and Mass Communication, you are already in this chair and doing a podcast. This is what we call experiential learning. Great going.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot to me. So, sir, if I talk about your childhood, you when you were a child artist, your mom used to work in Doordarshan, and like your father had a DSLR camera, which was your first joy. So, like, can you say that those things, like those memories which you had, actually, it came in your mind because of that? That yes, I have interest in filmography, I have interest in these things, and I should go, like, making my career in this thing.
So, I am a strong believer that whatever happens around us happens for a reason. And me going to Doordarshan and me visiting sets of films or, handling those cameras, I think that was a calling. That was a, calling of the Almighty telling me that this is where you need to make your career in. And I agree with you. Yes, this is the reason why I am here today. And this is the reason why I have been a part of media for like now about 20 to 23 years. And I've been enjoying this journey so far.
Okay, sir. So, like, you were a DOP, you are a photographer, filmographer, and you have experience in graphic design and so on. But there was like a funny incident with you when you were working for Excel Entertainment in the movie Lakshya. Like it was not planned that you would act as an actor, but it just happened. So, like, what was the backstory, sir?
So interesting backstory there is. Okay, so I was still in my masters, and at that time, we were also like you guys are subjected to a lot of industry practitioners. हमारे को भी पढ़ाने के लिए industry practitioners आया करते थे. One of them happened to be Farhan Akhtar, and many more. One of them was Farhan Akhtar, and Farhan was at that time, making a film called Lakshya, and he was auditioning as well as he was, asking for people to help him assist in this debutorial film. And I had no intentions to act. I had actually, approached him and his team to be a part of the directorial team, the production team. It so happened that this was a schedule which was in Ashoka. एंड अशोका होटल में हम लोग शूट करने जा रहे थे एंड सडनली हमें पता चला कि हमारा एक एक्टर था हुज अ कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट he suddenly was very unwell and could not make it to the shoot. And I was suddenly asked, Amit, you do the role of this guy Jeetu. मैंने कहा, क्या क्यों कैसे? तो he said that this guy is not there. तो कर लो. हम लोगों ने थिएटर एक्टिंग वगैरह किया हुआ था, सीखा हुआ था अपने मास्टर्स में. I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. It so happened कि हो गया.
Okay, sir. So, when you were like in your college days in Jamia Millia Institute, like when we start our journey, especially in college, like we come with different plans and then end up with something different. Like we don't like see that if I'm coming with this plan, it maybe it will work or maybe it will not. So, what was the story with you?
Not a very major story. It is just that I had a little different plan. I did not ever thought that I will be going into academics. I was always into media, as I said, from the very childhood. I had all plans to go into videography and ad filmmaking or maybe filmmaking. Never thought of going behind the camera as a DOP or as a photographer. But though I enjoyed it, and honestly, in my college life, when I started learning photography, my teachers, my professors, my guru, who later on become my PhD guide for photography, also he thought that I was good at it, and he encouraged me to take up photography as one of my primary areas of career. And that was the day, and today is the day I've been, teaching photography. I've been also doing DOP work, and I've also been doing some other stuff in media that you have already been, aware of.
So, like you founded your company photoshala.com, which is doing very well actually. So, like at which phase of your life, like you got this thing, it clicked on your mind that, like, let's do a startup, let's see if it works or not?
देखो आज की डेट में आप इसको स्टार्टअप बोलते हो, उस टाइम पे जब मैंने शुरू किया था, इट वाज नॉट जस्ट अ स्टार्टअप, इट वाज माय ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट एंड इट इज स्टिल माय ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट। आई एम नॉट एट ऑल, मैंने उसको कभी पैसे कमाने का सोर्स या जरिया कभी सोचा भी नहीं है। तो मैं आपको समझाता हूँ हुआ क्या। So 2006-7 में I taught for the first time in a university setup. I finally found that this is where I want to make my career in. However, because in the university setup, I was, you know, expected to be in a classroom setup as a teacher and teach my students. Even if I'm teaching photography, it has to be within the four walls of a classroom. I thought यार photography ऐसे नहीं सिखाई जा सकती, film making, photography ऐसा, uh, it's not a trade which can be taught within a confined space. So फोटोशाला मैंने उस टाइम पे conceptualize किया था कि फोटोशाला will be 100% hands on practical, and it should be taught outside in the field or wherever the student is doing. Let's say if it's a studio, then a studio. If if it's a lab for editing the shots, then a lab. But it should not be a classroom setup. And with that idea, I started with Photoshala back in 2008-9. And then I added two more verticals to it. One was production, because I was also shooting and I was also doing a lot of films and photography projects. So I started doing that as well under Photoshala. And later on, a lot of people approached me to start up their own ventures relating to, let's say, they wanted to set up a studio, or they wanted help in, let's say, reikis of films, or even casting. So production and consultancy became my second and third vertical in Photoshala. Teaching me in the first.
So, sir, like 22 years of work experience, you have taught in so many universities. You are an alumni member in IIT Kashipur, a certified trainer from like IITC Netherlands. So, sir, एक filmy background से basically, like you started in this filmography thing. उससे एक shift to this academic background to a dean currently at the Kiyamangalam University. एक challenge रहा, sir, or you were enjoying it?
देखो चैलेंज तो श्योरली थे, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। चैलेंजेस तो हमेशा से रहे हैं और होने भी चाहिए। अगर चैलेंजिंग नहीं रहेगा तो बहुत बोरिंग हो जाएगी यार लाइफ। सो पहला चैलेंज तो हुआ जब मैं अपना क्लास 12 करके बाहर निकल रहा था। एंड वो चैलेंज क्या था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से थे, एंड दे डिड नॉट नो मच अबाउट मास कम्युनिकेशन और मीडिया फील्ड। सो दे डिस्करेज मी ऑनेस्टली। आई यूज्ड टू डिबेट अ लॉट एंड आई यूज्ड टू एक्ट आल्सो, बट they had different plans. They thought that I should be doing engineering, and therefore they wanted me to appear for all these engineering exams, which I did miserably bad. I flunked in almost 11 to 12 exams, burned my parents money on these entrance exams, these exam forms. And then finally I did my bachelor's of information technology and bachelor's of in international business and finance. So my bachelor's tak, it was all driven by my parents. Thereafter, I took charge of my own life. From a master's, I did my master's in mass communication, which I knew I'm going to make my career in. As I said, I was already enjoying that. In NTPC, in Doordarshan, newsreels were being made, and I was enjoying doing that. And thereafter, when I taught for the first time, I remember it was a small workshop that I was doing with Chaudhry Charan Singh Meerut University, and a reputed university of the state. And I went there. It was a 2 hour session that I was supposed to take. वो कब 2 घंटे का 6 घंटे, 6 घंटे का 8 घंटे हो गया। बच्चे भी खुश, मैं भी खुश, पढ़ाते जा रहा हूँ, वो भी पढ़ते जा रहे हैं, वो भी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, मैं भी इंजॉय कर रहा हूँ। जब तक ऐसा नहीं हो गया कि वहाँ के जो डीन, वहाँ के एचओडी आके बोलना शुरू हो गए, अमित जी 8 घंटे हो गए, हमें घर जाना है। सो तब मुझे समझ में आया, नहीं, पढ़ाना जो है, उसमें जो पैशन है, उसमें जो एनर्जी है, उसमें जो मजा है, वो और किसी फील्ड में नहीं हो सकता। सो दैट इज माई हायर कॉलिंग। आई नीड टू डू दिस थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ। I never lost touch with the industry. I have worked with industry. मेरे कई सारे projects films के साथ भी रहे हैं, photography के साथ भी रहे हैं, corporate के साथ भी रहे हैं. But my calling has been, and what I have been doing for the last 20 years is teaching, and I enjoy it thoroughly.
So I would have wished to ask a lot more questions, but due to some time constraints, like I would end this beautiful podcast session with one of my last questions. So, like, one advice for us, bachelor students or master students, like you are a role model figure for us for sure. You have so many achievements, so many learnings we get from you. So, one piece of advice for us.
Never stop rediscovering yourself. You have to rediscover yourself every passing day. जो आप कल थे वो आप कल नहीं रहोगे, ये दुनिया वो नहीं रहेगी. सो नेवर स्टॉप इवॉल्विंग, क्योंकि फ्यूचर जो है वो ये नहीं है. फ्यूचर क्या है जो आप कर रहे हो मेरे साथ, ये पॉडकास्ट, ये डिजिटल क्रिएटर्स का एक स्पेस है, इकोनॉमी है, जो आगे आने वाले टाइम पे बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स की इंडस्ट्री बन जाएगी. सो नेवर stop evolving, never stop rediscovering yourself every day. Do that.
So, guys, that was it for the day. Thank you, sir, once again.
Pleasure is all mine, Shubham, and I honestly wish you all the very best. You are, very promising candidate of my school, and I honestly believe that you are going to outshine everyone in this university and in your class. All the very best.
Thanks a lot, sir. Means a lot to me. So, guys, this was Shubham Bhatia. मिलते हैं अगले पॉडकास्ट में. थैंक यू.